I built my very own AI diet tracking website that works both on web and mobile from anywhere. The best part is it'll cost you less than $1 for a lifetime. I can describe what I ate in natural language or even upload a photo and AI will capture the calories, macros, track meals, weight and everything. The best part is you can create the website using any AI model on a Mac or Windows and host it for free. I'm also going to give you my full prompt and step-by-step instructions to get this up and running in minutes. You don't need to know coding. It's super beginner friendly as well. So let's build it. Okay, what all do we need to make this happen? First, we need an AI to write the code for us. I'm using the Claude desktop app. You can use ChatGPT or even Gemini, but download the desktop app. This is where we ask AI to build the website for us. I was able to build the whole thing with my Claude $20 a month subscription without any issues. But with a free plan, it might take a few sessions to get it done. So it's going to be easier if you have any basic paid plan. Next, once we have the website locally, we need some place to put it on the internet, right? So that we can access it from anywhere. For that, create an account on Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a service that takes the website that we created and puts it online. There are many other services that can do this like Vercel, Netlify and Hostinger, but I chose Cloudflare because guess what? It's free. So just go to dash.cloudflare.com and sign up for a free account. Okay, we built a website with Claude and put that website on Cloudflare. What else is missing? Just one more thing. I said it's an AI-powered diet tracker, right? Which means you say something or share a picture of your food. We need AI to break it down in terms of calories and macros. So we need some AI that our website can call every time you add a meal. And for this, I'm using ChatGPT or more correctly, OpenAI APIs. We cannot use the monthly subscriptions because that can only be used from the ChatGPT app. In fact, this is the only recurring paid part of our entire diet tracker website. But don't be alarmed, we are going to be using GPT-5 Nano, which is a very lightweight AI model. And even for someone who logs 3 meals a day for a whole year, it's going to cost only around $50 for a year. So basically, this whole setup is almost free. Okay, all you need from OpenAI is something called an API key. To get this, go to platform.openai.com, sign up or log in. Here, under any default project, tap on API keys. Click on Create a new secret key. Give it a name and tap on Create. Now a key is created, copy it and save it somewhere for now. I want to quickly showcase my very own AI-powered task management iOS app. It's called the Ango Tasks. Many of you have used Ango Tasks and provided useful feedback. For those who haven't tried, it's available in iOS App Store. Please give it a try and share your feedback. The latest version has an upgraded, elegant and clean UI. It has all the necessary features that you would expect from a task management app, like easy task creation, due date and time notifications, folder management, subtasks, notes, attachments, and a lot more. But today, I want to showcase its AI features that will improve your productivity significantly. And these AI features is what makes the Ango Tasks different from other task apps. To start off, it has natural language task parsing. So simply type in natural language with date, time, priority, and every detail will be extracted. Have a bunch of tasks or even list of items as text in messages or email, simply paste the whole text and Ango Tasks will extract every single task or item and create a beautiful task list for you. Have a whiteboard, screenshot, or even a sticky note with task notes on them. Simply take a photo and Ango Tasks will fetch all the tasks and convert them into lists. Even better, simply talk in your natural language of the list of items to get done. Your tasks will be extracted and beautifully organized. It can plan your day, two-way sync with Google Calendars, import existing reminders from Apple Reminders, and a lot more features. Give it a try. I'm sure you will not just love it, but also improve your productivity. Link to download the app in the description below. Now we have all the building blocks ready. It's time to create our diet tracker. Let's open Claude desktop app. Like I said, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini too. I'll go to the Code tab. Here, let me pick a new local folder to create my website. Sort of like a new project. Also, I'm going to tap here and select Auto, which will perform all the tasks without asking me for confirmation. Now, head over to the description of this YouTube video and you will see a link to the full prompt to create the website. Open it, copy the whole thing. You can even download and give the whole file directly to Claude. I'm going to copy everything and paste it in Claude and hit enter. That's it. Halfway through, it's going to install the necessary dependencies and it's going to automatically open a web page for Cloudflare. Here you need to authorize connecting Cloudflare to your locals so that Claude can configure and deploy your website automatically. It's going to take a while because it has to build everything from scratch, and mine, I think it took like a good 25 to 30 minutes or so. After creating everything, it's also going to give you the rest of the steps that we need to do in a very detailed way, like how to upload the website to Cloudflare, how to connect Cloudflare to OpenAI, etc. But let me walk you through here. After Claude completed its work, if you go to dash.cloudflare.com and if you tap on Workers and Pages under Compute, you should see the websites that Claude created and uploaded. If you click on this link, it will take you to the website, but you still need to set a password and connect it to OpenAI. So to do that, go back to Cloudflare, click here, which is your project, go to Settings, and under the Variables and Secrets, tap on Add and input app_password as variable name and give your own custom password in the value field and save. Now, this is the password that you will use to safely enter the website. It is set so no one else can access your website. Next, go back and tap Add again. Now give OpenAI_API_key. As value, paste the API key that you saved from OpenAI website before and save. This is to connect your website to OpenAI so it can use GPT models to get the calories and other information. One last, tap Add again, type session_secrets. For the value, go to Claude and say, I need a session secret, generate one and give me. It'll give you a random string. Just copy and paste it in the value field. That's it. Now go back to Claude and say, I've set all my secrets, redeploy. Claude is going to redeploy all the changes and make the website go live. The last part may feel a little complicated, but all we did was set the password and connect to OpenAI. Well, congratulations, you just built your very own AI-powered personal website. Now go to the Workers and Pages tab under the computer. This is the website link. Tap here and it will take you to your website. The password enter is the secret that you said before. Use it and you should see the full website here. The dashboard page shows today's calories, your protein, carbs, fat and fiber, last 7 days graph, etc. To add a new meal, simply tap on the Add Meal button. And this is the fun part. I don't have to exactly specify or find a meal to get the data. This is now OpenAI powered, so I can type something like 1 12-inch cheese pizza with 100 ml orange juice. When I tap on Analyze Meal, it's going to send this data to OpenAI, get all the information it needs, show me the data, and I can confirm and save it. You see how easy it is to enter and save a meal with so much granular information? I can even take a photo and upload it if I don't want to manually enter even that. I can go to history to see all my previous meals, graphs of calories and macros. And the progress tab is my favorite part. In one view, I can visualize my whole progress, how consistent I am, how much protein I'm averaging, etc. And of course, in settings, I can set my targets and goals as necessary. Here's the thing. This is your website that works from everywhere. The meals you added are stored in a database in Cloudflare forever. So your data is just your data and is available from anywhere. And if you don't like something about the website or need to add a new feature that you alone want, just go back to Claude and say, in the Today's tab, add a graph for my weight over the past 3 days. Redeploy once done. That's it. It'll do its magic and make the changes in the website. Did you realize something? Even though we just built a diet tracker, you learned everything that is needed to build an AI-powered website. A personal finance tracker, a personal inventory system, a personal workout tracker. Anything that you need to power with AI. You have everything that you need to build one. Just ask Claude to make the specific website for you and host it on Cloudflare. And trust me, it's going to cost so much less than even one of your paid app subscriptions. Alright, was that useful? Do let me know in the comments if you want me to build more such hands-on build videos. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.